Vipassana means to see in a special way, an insight. And in all of the techniques that we did in the previous days, we focused on something, a task, an image, our breathing. By doing so, we train the brain and the body to do something specific. In Vipassana, we simply practice self-observation by focusing on our inner self in a non-judgmental way. We simply observe instead of consciously controlling the experience. So start by finding a comfortable position where your spine is straight, your back is nice and tall, and your chest can expand freely. And you can rest your hands wherever it feels comfortable. Usually I invite you to control your breathing, but this time you do not control a thing. You simply become an observer. You are here. In this present moment. You are sitting in this room. And you are taking some time for yourself. The only thing you do is just be. You observe how your body is sitting in this position. The pressure of your body against the surface that you are on. How your body is moving while you are naturally breathing. You observe any sensations in your body without reacting. You witness the thoughts come and go. You observe the emotions present at this very moment. And the goal is to help you quiet your mind, focus on the present, accept your thoughts and emotions and sensations for what they really are. You observe what's happening in your body and mind without reacting. You watch emotions come and go. You watch sensations come and go, such as pain or anger, sadness, pleasure. Of just being still in the present moment. And realizing that your emotions, your sensations, your feelings, everything that you can experience in the inside is just temporary. The goal of Vipassana is to realize that nothing is permanent. Your thoughts don't last. Your emotions don't last. Your feelings don't last. Nothing is permanent. We are now going to take back control of our breathing and take a deep inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and a slow exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Deep inhale and a slow exhale. Now let your breath go back to natural rhythm. You can now open your eyes and reconnect with your surroundings.